At then
Hello guys, this is
update
Alden.
for
Hello,
the
this is
official.
Karen.
What is your favorite
The Notebook.
romantic movie?
Yeah, The Notebook,
Notebook.
yun din answer ko. Or pag medyo
The
light,
Notebook
baka
daw?
Pretty Woman. Pretty Woman. And The Notebook.
The
Yeah.
Notebook.
Yun, no? Describe each other in 3 words.
Ako muna.
Okay.
Caring, passionate, lovable.
Yun, no?
Very gentle, very organized, and workaholic.
Yun, no? What's your favorite
Feeling
scene?
ko yung bench.
Yeah, me too.
The,
Yung bench.
the bench scene.
We
So,
can't tell
you can't
what the scene is about, but
Makikita nila yun.
yung sa nasa bench kami
Sa
dalawa.
bench. Overlooking. Yeah.
Yun, no?
Yan.
Who would you let go?
Who would I let
Who would you
go?
let go?
Dapat di ko pa na-let go.
Yes, dapat.
So, part pa ng life ko na.
Yes. Your one true love or your best friend. No right or wrong answer naman.
Parang hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya pumili. I'm sorry. Ang corny ng sagot ko.
Yeah, pero
Ikaw ba meron?
pero-
Kung papiliin ka.
Mahirap din siyang sagutin. Kaya lang yun naisip ko na parang,
But what if my best friend is the love of my life? So, you can let go ng
paging friends and then
pwede kayo
Evolve.
mag-evolve into,
something
something
deeper.
deeper.
Yeah.
Or, i-give up mo yung romance and then you can just become friends. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Pero mahirap siyang sagutin talaga.
Pero mahirap
Kaya,
siya.
anong pipiliin mo?
Pinasa niya.
Burning question ko sa kanya, would you sacrifice your happiness for the person you love the most?
Of course.
You really?
I
You'll
think-
sacrifice your
I
happiness?
think yes. Kasi kagaya yung sabi ko sa'yo dati, diba? Parang for me, love is sacrifice.
Okay.
And I think, of course, syempre we're now at an era naman talaga na people are encouraged to love themselves, diba?
Yes.
Medyo old school lang kasi ako. So, syempre ako, I really value happiness of other people.
More than your happiness.
More than mine.
But how about your happiness?
When I see them happy, I'm happy.
So you're willing to sacrifice that kasi makukuha mo din yung happiness.
Yes, pag masaya sila. Second na lang ako.
Hindi
Doon na lang.
sagot nila.
Papalo na lang.
Grabe siya talaga. That's my question.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.